In this video, we will present you an environmental problem called air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution consists of chemicals or particles in the atmosphere that pose serious health and environmental threats. Air pollution may cause diseases, allergies, and even death to humans, animals, and plants. Now let's talk about some causes of air pollution. The first one is waste in landfills. Landfills are land areas in which waste is deposited or buried. These deposited or buried wastes generate methane. Methane is a major greenhouse gas that is highly flammable and very hazardous. The second one is indoor air pollution. Household cleaning products, painting supplies emit toxic chemicals in the air and cause air pollution. And the last one is greenhouse gases. By trapping the Earth's heat in the atmosphere, greenhouse gases lead to warmer temperatures and all the hallmarks of climate change. Now, I believe we are wondering how air quality is being measured. Air quality is a measure of how clean or polluted the air is. Monitoring air quality is important because polluted air can be bad for our health and the health of the environment. At the moment, I think we are all familiar with the measuring scale of PM 2.5, and this is exactly how quality of air is measured. Air quality is measured with the Air Quality Index, or AQI. The AQI works sort of like a thermometer that runs from 0 to 500 degrees. However, instead of showing changes in the temperature, the AQI is a way of showing changes in the amount of pollution in the air. Next, let's talk about the effects of air pollution. Air pollution can cause respiratory and heart problems. Air pollution creates several respiratory and heart conditions like asthma, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, heart attacks, and strokes, along with cancer, among other threats to the body. Several millions are known to have died due to the direct or indirect effects of air pollution. The second one is global warming. With increased temperatures worldwide, an increase in sea levels and melting of ice from colder regions and icebergs, displacement and loss of habitat have already signaled an impending disaster if actions for preservation and normalization aren't undertaken soon. The third one is acid rain. Harmful gases like nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides are released into the atmosphere during the burning of fossil fuels. When it rains, the water droplets combined with these air pollutants become acidic and then falls on the ground in the form of acid rain. Acid rain can cause great damage to humans, animals, and crops. Finally, there are some solutions to prevent this natural disaster. Number 1. Conserve energy. Switch off fans and lights when you are going out. A large number of fossil fuels are burned to produce electricity. You can save the environment from degradation by reducing the number of fossil fuels to be burned. The second one is use public mode of transportation. Encourage people to use more and more public modes of transportation to reduce pollution. Also, try to make use of carpooling. If you and your colleagues are from the same locality and have the same timings, you can explore this option to save energy and money. The last one is understand the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Do not throw away items that are no use. Instead, reuse them for some other purpose. For example, you can use old jars to store cereals or puzzles. Thank you for your attention. We hope this video will make you understand more about air pollution, its cause, effects, and ways to effectively prevent this natural phenomenon.